How to make positive changes to your teaching. How can you make changes to your teaching that will truly improve learning outcomes? Follow 5 steps to help you make small changes that have a big impact. Step 1. Your situation. Think about the situation you want to improve, or the most significant challenges. Choose one priority goal to focus on. For example, maybe you have a group with very diverse needs and it's a challenge to support and engage them all. Step 2. Type of change. What changes might help you to achieve your goals? For example, how you set up the room, how you provide scaffolding, or differentiation. Step 3. Resources. Where can you find ideas for actions on this topic? Use Teaching English to help you find the support you need. Step 4. Action. Choose 1 or 2 ideas that you're going to try out in class. What are you going to do? Step 5. Evaluation. How did it go? What impact did the changes make? Will you incorporate the changes into your teaching or try something else? Reflect and decide on your next steps. Following these 5 steps, from planning to action to evaluation, will help make positive changes to your teaching for you and your learners.